In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change units of measurement in Affinity. If you work across print and digital projects, switching units is essential for accuracy. Pixels are great for screen graphics, while inches, millimeters, or centimeters make more sense for print layouts. The good news is that changing units in your current document is quick and affects how sizes, rulers, and measurements are displayed without altering your artwork's actual dimensions. Start by opening the Document Setup window. You'll find it in the File menu under Document Setup. This is the control center for key document level settings, and it's the right place to adjust how measurements are shown. Make sure the correct document is active before you proceed, so you're editing the file you intend. Inside Document Setup, look for the section labeled Document Units. You'll see a drop-down or a field showing your current unit, such as pixels, inches, millimeters, centimeters, or points. Click that current unit to reveal your options. Choose the unit that best matches your goal. For web and UI work, pixels keep everything aligned to screens. For print, inches or millimeters provide precise, real-world sizing. If you're working with typography and need fine control over elements like baseline grids, points can be helpful. As you make your choice, remember this change only affects how measurements are displayed in this document. It doesn't rescale anything you've designed. After selecting your preferred unit, confirm the change by clicking OK. Once you do, you'll see the update reflected throughout the interface. Rulers along the top and left will switch to the new unit. Input fields for width, height, stroke weight, and position will display values using that unit. Guides and grids will show measurements accordingly, making it easier to type exact values and keep everything consistent. This is especially useful when matching client specs or printer requirements. A quick tip as you work: stick with one unit per project to avoid confusion. If you're collaborating, agree on the unit early so measurements and notes are interpreted the same way by everyone. Also, be mindful when entering numbers after the change. The software now interprets your values in the new unit, so a width of 100 could mean 100 pixels, 100 millimeters, or 100 points, depending on what you selected. That's all there is to it. Open Document Setup, choose the unit under Document Units, and click OK to apply. With that change in place, you'll work more accurately and confidently, whether you're exporting a crisp web graphic or preparing a print-ready layout.